Are you a foreign investor thinking of opening a company in the US? Whether you're planning to buy real estate or launch a business, choosing the right type of entity and understanding the tax consequences is critical. Let's answer the most common questions from foreign clients before they form an LLC or corporation. Question 1. What's the best company type in the US for a foreign investor? It depends on your business activity. If you plan to buy property and rent it out, an LLC is usually best. If you want to run an active business like a restaurant, retail, or consulting company, it's better to open a C corporation. These rules are especially true for non-residents, as they're not subject to self-employment tax the way US citizens are. Question 2. What's the best entity for US citizens? US citizens can also use LLCs for passive income like rental properties. For active businesses, the best structure is often an S corporation, since it avoids double taxation and allows income to pass through to personal returns. Question 3. What are the tax obligations of a single-member LLC owned by a foreigner? If the LLC has no US source income and no transactions, there is no need to pay or file taxes. However, if the LLC has loans or distributions to the foreign owner, it may trigger reporting, but not necessarily income tax. There's a misconception online that you must file Forms 1042 or 5472 for every LLC. That's not always required unless there are specific transactions like loans or distributions. Question 4. What if there are two foreign owners in the LLC? A multi-member LLC with foreign owners must file a partnership tax return even if it has no activity. Each owner must obtain an IT-in and file a personal tax return for their share of income or loss. Failure to do so often results in the IRS sending notices requesting missing filings. Question 5. Do foreign owners pay self-employment tax in the US? No. Foreigners who do not live in the US and operate passive businesses, like rental LLCs, are generally exempt from self-employment tax. This is one of the reasons LLCs are favorable for foreign rental investors. Question 6. What are the tax reporting rules for US citizens with LLCs or corporations? A single-member LLC owned by a US citizen is reported on their personal tax return, Schedule C or E. An S corporation files a separate return, and the owner must report any profits or losses personally. Failure to report properly can lead to back taxes and penalties. Choosing the right structure, LLC, C Corp, or S Corp, is not just a legal decision. It impacts your tax exposure, filing obligations, and long-term compliance. Whether you're a US citizen or a foreign investor, we'll guide you every step of the way.